Hey guys, Jules Kane here, back again with another piano tutorial. This time we're going to go over an Edwin Hawkins song, There's Something About That Name. This song was recorded in the key of E flat. There's a lot of beautiful arpeggios and excellent jazz voicings, so let's go through this song and try to complement the recording. So, it's going to start off. Jesus. Jesus, Jesus, there's something about that name. Master, Savior, Jesus, like the fragrance after the rain. Okay, as you can see, really beautiful voicings in here. So let's try to see what they're doing here. The first chord, we're going to start off on the 1. Jesus. Now you can play an E flat major 7. Or you can add the 9 and 13 in there. Now we're going to do this really cool voicing here. We're going to start on the B flat and go down. And you're going to play a B flat 13 flat 9. A nice way to think of this chord is a B flat 7 on your left hand and a G major chord on your right hand. Together they make a B flat 13 flat 9. Now you can change the inversions of the G chord and make it an arpeggio. And you get that nice cool sound. Okay, then we're going to go to a B flat minor 7 and make it a minor 9. Then we're going to play a really cool E flat 13 flat 9, also a 13 flat 9 voicing. Nice way to think of this is you're playing an E flat 7 on your left hand, and on your right hand you're playing a C major chord. As you can see, it stays in E flat 13 flat 9. Then, next chord, like fragrance, A flat major 9 to an A flat minor 6 after the rain. We go back to the E flat. Then, do a little turnaround with an F minor 9. Then we go back to that B flat 13 flat 9. Now notice the Chordy app there doesn't recognize the 13 flat 9 if I just play a B flat and a G chord. But if you add in that B flat 7, the A flat, and then put that G on there, you get that nice sound. Okay, so let me play it at full speed so you can see it again. Jesus, 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 there's just something, arpeggio there, about that name. Master, Savior. Now, you got this B flat 13 flat 9. You can also make it just a B flat 7 flat 9 by playing a D diminished 7 and arpeggiating it while holding that B flat 7 in your left hand. Okay? Then we're going to go to a G minor 7, flat 5. G. You can go up and down the melody here to a C7 flat 9. Then we're going to go to an F9 sus4. Okay, so what I'm thinking here is I'm playing an E flat chord on top of F7. So then that lets you know what inversions you can play. Now this F713 is a D minor chord on top of F7. See how polychords can make a lot of these really cool jazz voicings much easier to understand and play at whatever your whim is. So if you know you got a F7 in your left hand, you can do this D minor really quickly, or that E flat, or the C minor. Okay. Now we're going to an F minor 7 flat 5, and then B flat 13 flat 9. Okay, so let's play through the ballad section in the beginning, and then we'll break it down. Jesus, Jesus, there's just something about that name. Master, Savior, Jesus, like a fragrance after the rain. Jesus, Jesus, Jesus. There's just something about that name. For kings and kingdoms, they shall all pass away. For there's something about that name. Okay, that was a brief run through of the ballad section in the beginning. So let me just go back over and make sure I break down the chords of each section. So the first verse, playing that E flat major 9, Jesus, to a B flat 13 flat 9, to a B flat minor 7, to a B flat minor 9, to an E flat 13 flat 9, then to an A flat major 9, something about A flat minor 6, that name, back to that E flat major 9, then a 2-5, an F minor 9, to a B flat 9 13, Savior, B flat, E flat major 9, Jesus, B flat 13 flat 9. Okay. Actually, it's a G minor 7 flat 5 to a C7 flat 9 to a F9 sus4 to an F7 13 to an F minor 7 flat 5 to a B flat 13 flat 9. Okay, then E flat again. Okay, E flat again. Okay, and then B flat minor 7. And on the recording you hear, I believe it's Kevin Bond playing. He's playing a nice E flat pentatonic over this B flat minor 7. To an E flat 13 flat 9 again. Now it gets interesting. We're going to play this A flat major 9 to a D7 sharp 9 sharp 5 to a G13 sus. Then we're going to play this G7 sharp 9 sharp 5. Now, the sharp 9 sharp 5 voicing is a G7 in your left hand with an E flat chord on top. So you can change inversions to those. And for that G13 sus, an easy way to remember it for me is I'm thinking I'm playing an F major 7 on top of G. So the reason to use polychords for me is it's easy to improvise and remember what to play if you know the basic chord structure. It's harder to think G13 sus than it is to think F major 7 over G. Okay. Okay, now, and kings, C9 sus 4. It's a B flat chord over C. Kings and kingdoms to a C7 flat 9. They shall all. Now, there's a lot of improv you can do here. I've heard this F9 13 sharp 11 to the F7. Okay. Then I also heard this very unique little passing motion here. You went to a C7 sharp 9 sharp 5 to an F sharp 13 to an F7 13. Okay? And then there's something F minor 7 flat 5 about that name. Okay, and then the vamp in the end, you're going to be playing all kings and kingdoms, they shall all pass away, but there's something about that name. And it repeats, all kings and kingdoms, they all pass away, but there's something about that name. So the chords of this vamp are a G minor 9/11. I like to think an F major chord on top of G minor to a C7 C7 flat 9 to F9 sus4. We've gone through these chords to F7 13 to F minor 7 flat 5 to a B flat 13 sus, which I like to think an A flat major 7 on top of B flat to B flat 7 flat 9, that name to E flat. And that's the whole song. All kings and kingdoms, they shall all pass away, for there's something about that name. Okay, and that is the whole song. Thank you guys so much. I'll be back with some more tutorials very soon. Hey, and if there's a song that you want me to put up a request on, please send in a donation. It takes about 3 to 4 hours to learn, edit, and record and upload these videos. So all of your support is greatly appreciated and necessary. All right, till next time, take care, guys.